We have developed a straightforward method for lipophilicity measurement of fluorinated compounds using fluorine NMR, which is accurate enough to reproducibly measure small differences in lipophilicity.
This method can be used to systematically study the impact of fluorination of organic compounds on the resulting lipophilicity changes, which is of interest in general medicinal chemistry.
Advantages of this method include that compounds do not have to be UV active and they do not have to be completely pure. There is no need to measure exact mass or volumes, and there is no need to establish calibration curves.
An appropriate reference compound should be chosen, and cross-contamination of the aliquot should be avoided during the sampling phase.
In this video, we will demonstrate appropriate practical skills for sampling, NMR tube sealing, and correct use of NMR software for data processing.
Add 6.0 milligrams of compound X and 3.0 milligrams of the reference compound to a 10 milliliter pear-shaped flask. Dissolve the compounds in approximately 2 milliliters of HPLC grade N-octanol and add 2 milliliters of HPLC grade water. Place the flasks inside a temperature-controlled receptacle above a stir plate and connect to a recirculating chiller. Stir the biphasic mixture at 25 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, with stirring speed set at 600 RPM. Equilibrate the mixture at 25 degrees Celsius overnight to allow for complete phase separation. Fix the flask to a retort stand with a clamp. Take an aliquot of approximately 0.70 to 0.85 milliliters from both water and N-octanol layers by using 1 milliliter disposable plastic syringes with long needles. For taking the water aliquot, draw a